Hey, well, if you're like me, when you're flying your drone, you've got your phone and it's in a case. The problem with that is it doesn't fit. So when you put your phone in here and you try to put it in like it's supposed to be, it's just sitting on the edge, and any little thing will make your phone jump out and hit the ground. So you have to take your phone out of the case. Or do you? My solution is I have lots of old cell phones. I just happen to have a Motorola, my last Motorola phone that I had, and the screen's cracked a little bit, but that's okay. But this phone is not a phone. It does not have cell service. It will hook up to the Wi-Fi at the house to do downloads and stuff for the DJI Mini 2 to be able to get the right software for your controller and your drone. But this one, I just lay it in here. And it fits. Fits right over it, no problem, and it works fantastic, and it's about the same size as my new phone. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this phone, I'm going to keep it charged, put it in the bag with my drone and my controller, so when I go out flying I'll just use my spare phone, and then I'll have my other phone to use for phone calls and stuff if somebody calls while I'm flying, which I don't really answer when I'm flying anyway. But anyway, that's my solution for not taking your phone out of the case. And I know most people have extra phones laying around, so just take one of your old phones and set it up with your app, and then you don't have to worry about it falling out of your holder all the time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful to you. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and have an awesome day, and I'll try to do better on my next video, because I know I can do better. You guys have a great day. This is Harold signing off, baby. Have a good day.